Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. And namaste from I am Dr. Sudhir Manohar Juekar. I am working in KM Hospital as a research officer, and I have passed my MD in Ayurveda, and I am doing now PhD in surgery now. Today I have chosen the topic that Ganesh festival is coming nearby, and what is the rationality of the Ganesh festival, and for that purpose I have Ganesh Patri. And this is not a fairly talk, but it is communication between you and me. What is I think about what is about the gratitude about the Ganesh, and what we think about about our life, and what is the our forefathers given the treasury to us with the help of these festivals and the knowledge they are given us, that we have to purify that knowledge, and again we have to use that knowledge. For that we are selected the topic of Ganesh Patri. Now we are all fighting against the corruption. Everyone has in mind that how to tackle with corruption, and due to Anna Hazare, we are one of the part of our heart is beating for that. We are also in same condition, that how we can also help that. Everyone knows, everyone literate person knows about that. Only doing some effort, no, it is not possible to fight against corruption. The way that I am also like to introduce one way that how we can reduce the corruption, that to go to the forefathers images, and to every person do limited or somewhat study about the herb, the corruption will become less. Means I am supposed to give one page, that this book, one page will be little bit study about the herbs and other things. Then you become healthy. No need of fear about the next that might got some diseases, disorders, and for that we are going to collect somewhat money or do insurance. This is the way I like to fight against the corruption. When the universe is not there, nothing was there, but the sound is there, and the first sound, that is Aham, and that create that Omkar, and through that sound waves the whole universe occurs, and that is the way that Omkar is there, and Ganpati or Ganesh is the origin of this universe. That Ganpati or Ganesh is now not an ideal or not a Ganpati that we are looking after, but this is the origin of our universe. That's why Omkar is there, and we are starting with the Omkar, or the first urge that we need something. That first two waves coming together, and Om is started, and then the universe started. next in what I think about this Ganesh Patri. Previously, today we have a quiz competition of medical pharmacological quiz competition. At that time, so many students came together and they are given questions and they are giving right answer, they are getting good marks, and through that they are selected one team, which is that time also this Ganesh Patri means not only worshipping the god or a statue, but that time also a quiz contest is arranged. So many small children, small girls, boys, they are collecting the many types of herbs, and then they are coming to Sabhagruha or a holy place, and they are worshipping Lord Ganesh. But this worship is not only the worship, but they are contributing the essential things about the knowledge of various types of herbs, various types of uses as well as medicinal uses. And we are trying to elaborate that Patri means that we know about the Pat. We have bank balance so much, that is called our Pat. And who is having greater knowledge, more knowledge about a single herb or a combination of herb, that's why the person is given that he is having good knowledge of the herb, and we have to secure that knowledge about the herb again. And I am contributing that I know that I am giving the knowledge about the single herb, how we can use it for restoring our life, along with that immune system, and second is the wealth of our health. There are so many herbs which is grown in this rainy season, and that they are fresh one. But in Ganesh Patri there are 20 herbs which is selected. I'm little bit showing you the small 21 herbs, how it is, and I will describe one or two herbs in detail how we can use for betterment of life, and we will discuss about that. And if we have time, then again we will do complete study of the another herbs also. The first herb is कुठली येते मार्ची पाठी पुढचं घ्या पुढचं घ्या. See, we are starting with the Bilva Patra because everyone knowing about that, and we are knowing about that this Bilva Patra, but we are not using in our life. We are only putting on the Shiva Pindi and we are throwing it away. But how we can use that Bilva Patra in our life, that we are going to discuss. See, the mantra is given for the Bilva Patra is Uma Putraya. Uma Putra means is related with the Shankar, and that's why Uma Putraya Namaha Bilva Patram Samarpayami, like that mantra. But I am going to give you some detailed information about the Bilva Patra. That previously I told you about that how we can fight with the corruption. That if we are taking this Bilva Patra for betterment of the hygiene of the mouth, it is possible. If we are putting this Bilva Patra in on the pindi of the Shiva, but if we keep one Bilva Patra in our mouth, no, your whole oral hygiene is kept quietly, because it is astringent in its nature. It gives strength to your gums, and cough also become less. It is aromatic in nature. That's why the flavor is also nice. That Bel Patra, Shankar, तीन पत्र, Bilva. That I have brought that. I have brought that all samples also. That is live demonstration. That so many uses of the thing is that no, we go to purchase some herb from a shop, but only if we use the leaf of a plant, no, it generates again and again, then that will not harm to the plant also. That's why this patri is very essential, and if we use the more and more leaf in the practice or doing that, it will not harm to the it will not harm to the plant also, and we are getting more and more. This Bilva Patra, if you keep on the pindi along with that single this thing leaf you put in mouth, no, your mouth become fresh one. bad breath, no, it will also disappear. The third thing is that no, it is very useful on the sweating. It reduces sweating. If a person who is having bad smell to his sweat, no, within 8 days, 10 days, no, if it persists, the sweating very well, but bad smell will not be there. That also possible. I will show you later. Third one, no, this Bilva Patra, Durva Patra, and Tulsi. If you prepare a powder out of that, no, it is very useful in hypertension. It reduces hypertension. If it is mild to moderate, it will reduces very well hypertension. It is also useful for cholesterol also, lowering cholesterol. And Bilva Patra, Tulsi Patra, and Durva. Then Neem also we can take. Some part of Neem also we can take. Neem, Bilva, and Tulsi. Equal proportion. And see, the Bilva is useful for all joint pain, then backache, in Vata disorders. Tulsi is useful for kapha